Good morning, children. I'm Nancy Chandran. I hope you all are doing well and all are safe and happy at home. Uh, Probably you're utilizing your time reading some good books and all. I told you to read some good books. So today I am coming up with the lesson, the first lesson of your textbook Flamingo, the last lesson. That is the name of your first lesson. Okay, the last lesson is written by Alphonse Daudet. That is the name of the author. As usual, I would like to give you a brief introduction of the author. Alphonse Daudet was a French novelist and a short story writer. He was a son of a silk manufacturer. He had a very depressing boyhood. Childhood was very depressing. Alphonse wrote his first poem and novel at the age of 14 years. He started his career as a school teacher and later on began to contribute articles and stories to magazines, and then he became a great literary figure. A lot of educational institutions in France have been named after him. He portrayed human emotions in a very realistic manner in his writings. These are the basic idea about Alphonse Daudet. So before you begin the lesson, before you start reading the lesson, you must know a little bit background details of the author, a biographical sketch of the author. I would like to give you the background of the story. In order to understand the story better, in order to enjoy it better, you need to know the background of the story, the last lesson. The last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. It was a war time between France and Prussia. Prussia was led by Bismarck. So the war lasted for 1 year, 1870 to 1871. The war lasted. Prussia was then consisted of what now we call the nations of Germany, Poland, and parts of Austria. In this story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine were under the control of Prussia. So Prussia was very powerful and they defeated France, and France districts, some districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, it was under the control of Prussia now. That is the background. So Prussians, Germany is a part of Prussia. So what did is that they are very powerful. So they made German language compulsory in their schools. So German language was made compulsory in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, and how this created an impact in the life of the French teacher there and the people of Alsace, how they felt about it. So they were learning French language because French was their mother tongue. There was a French teacher in the school. Now Prussians came to power, and Prussians are telling that now French will not be taught in schools, German will be taught in schools, and German was made compulsory. So the French teacher, he lost his job. He was asked to leave the school, and he was asked to go away from France. So, how the people felt about it, how the teacher felt about it. People were so devastated to know that we are unable to learn our language now, our mother tongue now in schools. So, that is the background of the story. There are certain themes discussed in the story. You need to know the themes discussed in the story. The most important theme discussed in the story is linguistic chauvinism. Linguistic chauvinism is a very negative, narrow minded approach. It is an idea that you believe that your language is superior to other people's language. So that is the attitude of Prussians now. They believe that German is superior to all other languages. So German will be taught in all the schools of France. That is a linguistic chauvinism of people. That is actually a narrow-minded approach. That is not at all good. You need to have a broad-minded approach towards all the languages. You need to respect all the languages. Though our own mother tongue is dear to us, we need to respect other people's languages also. So here linguistic chauvinism is the most important theme which was expressed by the Prussians. Importance of one's identity, that is also another theme discussed in the story. Negligent attitude towards education and mother tongue. People had a very negligent attitude towards education and mother tongue. They did not take their mother tongue seriously up till now. Okay, and they lost their opportunities also because other people are coming under power. Enemies have taken over the state of Alsace and Lorraine, so they don't have any kind of opportunities now to learn their language, to express themselves freely. Another theme discussed in the story is cruelty of war. We know that what will happen when war occurs and there is a lot of destruction and damage. Apart from that, people will be suppressed, their feelings will never be freely expressed in the country. So all that will happen. Lot of tension will be created in the minds of people. So cruelty of war is also one of the themes of the lesson, and insensitive nature of victorious people are also depicted in the story. The people who are in power, they are so insensitive towards the fellow beings. So that is another theme discussed in the story, and these are the themes discussed in the first part of the presentation. I am giving you till the themes of the story. In the second presentation, I'll be giving you the summary, the important characters, meanings of certain words and all that. So that will be there in the next presentation. Thank you, children.